No, one day you go back around.
Alright guys, two teams on either side, one big push in the middle.
What are we doing? You want to go right through the middle again?
Two big teams on each, two small teams on either side, one big team in the middle.
Okay. I'll go left with you.
Back here! Make sure we don't get spawn trapped, guys. Moving to it.
Alex, Brandon. Hold on.
Hang it, David. I got you covered, I got you covered. They're coming around left, coming around left. Coming around left, hey. They're coming left. Like, Father, see those like white barrels? I saw one coming around right there, type area.
One left, one left. He's probably there.
Where is he? Where is he? I don't see anyone.
I don't know either.
Is someone back there?
Think so.
Hey, Alex.
Where is he? Hey, where is he? I'm gonna get a better video over here.
See him now?
You see him? You see him? What?
He's left. You see his head behind the barrel?
Oh, he's by the white barrel.
He's back further though.
Okay.
On his hip.
Did you get him? Nice.
I didn't get him.
Somebody got him. Who's hitting us?
Oh no, I'm hearing the bounce off, so I just moved back a little bit. I think we're getting a crossfire.
Yeah, I was imagining.
Do you think?
Can't see anybody.
Because they're not hitting this side from over there. They're definitely coming from over there.
Yeah.
Hey, look to your right. Is there any to the right? Oh, I see some. All the way back there, I saw a guy run across. But it's like way back.
Yeah, yeah.
From where?
In the castle.
He's in the castle?
Yep. Flank, guys. Flank left side.
Where is he?
The guy around the corner over there? He's literally hiding next to the building.
Dude, literally, he was back.
You just open fired at nothing. They're flanking left, flanking left.
Don't run.
No, I'm getting a better angle.
They're way back. Yeah.
If you can cover me, I'll go to those. You got hit? Yeah. Where? I don't have a good shot. There's a bunch of trees in my way.
Hit?
You got hit?
Yep.
From where?
I'm dead.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Guys, they're coming around. You, hey, right there. Hey, you. They're right there by that tree, all the way down to the edge. There's at least like 2 coming around.
Oh, they're close to the wall.
You guys, keep moving. There's a guy that...
Yeah, there's also them flanking around this side though.
Yeah, we need more people. Tell some of the people on the right come left.
Go to that barrel.
Run. Keep moving. Go.
To your left, all the way to your left, there's a guy. We got guys coming from up there and to the left of us. Guys, they're flanking us left. We need more to go left. I'm trying to get more guys to come left.
Alright, you hold the position here. I'll go get
Don't, guys, you need to move around. I'm not kidding.
I'll cover it. Go. I'm gonna go right.
I'm not moving, dude. I just got here. Like, but we can't just stay on one spot. They'll advance on you.
Yeah. No, he's by that wall now.
Advance on him. Advance on him.
I got people to my right. No, he's still there. He's not coming out. He's not coming out. He's just not coming out. You can see him.
Hit.
Oh, you're hit. You're coming from the right, right?
Medic.
I'm not a medic.
There's a sniper back there. We just got.
I didn't get hit. Oh, I'm hit. Oh, right in the neck. I got hit in the neck. There's like 3 over here. Guys, get people. There's like 3. We need people. Yeah. He's out. Yeah. Nice shot.
Ah, hit!
You actually hit already? Guys, okay.
Where did you contact?
Okay, so see all the way back there, those barrels?
Yeah.
There's there, and then there's one guy to the right. They're behind those barrels, and there's one guy to the right.
That's great.
Do you want me to tell you where they're?
Oh shit. Hit. Really, dude?
They're just sitting back there.
There's a guy wide out in the open. He just like hits it like 3 times and runs back to cover.
Yeah, they do that. We have a sniper back there who's got like 3 guys.
Remember the spin wheels?
What?
Remember the spin wheels?
No.
I was told to keep flanking them. Push them back.
There's another guy. White barrel. Just go! God.
Over there. Ha!
There's like 4 guys.
Over there.
There's like 4.
Get him.
There's like 4, David.
I can't reach him. Get him.
Hit! Then medic me. I only got 1 more life after this.
I'm on Miles right here.
Hey, medic, medic.
Got him. We got guys pushing left here. We got guys pushing left all the way back in the field. They're coming through. David, get cover.
Very impressive. You guys kind of suck at times.